It's a new EU law. Maybe you've already heard of it. This legislation requires all newly registered vehicles to be equipped with Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, starting January 11, 2014. The goal is to reduce accidents, save fuel, and thus reduce CO2 emissions. Many car manufacturers are already building sensors directly into the car tires. These sensors use wireless to transmit the air pressure and temperature of a tire to a control device in the car. Around 60 different sensor models are already on the market. This means quite a bit of adjustment for Ed, the owner of a car repair shop, in his business. He will need to have the right sensor and a matching diagnostic device on hand for every car when it comes in for a tire change. Much to Ed's consternation, the large number of different sensors ultimately means a big jump in inventory costs. And should he not have the needed sensor on hand, his response time is lengthened and his customer ends up at a competitor's. To make matters worse, with a new TPMS, not only do tires need changing, the sensors have to be checked, reinstalled, and recalibrated. Calibrating a sensor means it must be taught in its new location and registered with a control device. This allows the vehicle to correlate each sensor and the air pressure it measures to a tire. Ed feels like pulling out his hair. How can he solve this problem? Würth has the solution: the Easy Sensor, a sensor which can be programmed to fit more than 90% of all car models. The advantages for Ed are obvious. He only needs one sensor and one diagnostic device on hand. This saves inventory costs and simplifies servicing the sensors. At the same time, he continues to be flexible and responsive for his customers. Teaching the sensors with a suitable software tool IQ50 is fast. The previous sensor ID is simply cloned. And Ed can take advantage of Würth's training on the subject of tire pressure monitoring system. Ed is happy. The Easy Sensor from Würth really is easy. Simple work steps, low inventory costs, and quick response times. Now he can face the new EU law unperturbed.